Les.
Cwrw hwb.
Yeah.
Brings them in. That's
Perffaith,
fantastic.
Yeah.
Perffaith, yeah.
But remember, always drink moderately and Matt. Peidiwch â gor-yfed. Right te. I'm in the mood for dipyn bach o nodyn Nia.
Are you in a demanding mood?
Gorchmynion commands, okay?
Okay.
We're going to start with words, action words that end in a yo.
Okay.
Like this.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. So, the word cario, to carry, gwylio, to watch, nofio.
Swim.
Yeah. If we want to make a command, right, there are T and chi forms, okay, but we're just going to concentrate on the chi forms now, right? So if you want to be bossy to lots of people, dych chi'n defnyddio wch ar y diwedd, okay?
Wch.
So you just use an wch ending. So here, you're just dropping the last vowel and you say, not cario, but you say
Cariwch.
cariwch. So I go, oh, Matt, cariwch fy magiau. Matt, carry my bags.
Which you do all the time.
Of course.
Backstage.
Gwylio.
Gwylio.
Watch the rugby.
Gwylioch rugby.
Yeah. Swim the channel, Matt.
Oh, nofiwch y Chanel, Matt.
Fine. Lovely. Yeah.
No, I won't.
So it's been really bossy, really awdurdodol, authoritative, yeah?
Peidiwch.
Yeah. Well done. Peidiwch means what?
Stop.
Don't.
Don't.
Peidiwch.
Peidiwch.
Right, so there, all we've done is dropped the last vowel.
Right,
yeah?
okay. I see where you're going from this. What's next?
Nessa, we're going to empty our vowels again.
I'm not going to empty my vowel on national television.
It'll help you remember.
It'll help me remember.
Empty your vowels.
There's method to my madness.
So get rid of the a and it becomes bwytwch.
Bwytwch.
Yeah, fel, Matt, eat your breakfast.
Nia, bwytwch y brecwast.
Da iawn. Wash your pants.
Why pants? Why? Is it some... What? Stop it. People will talk. Okay. Golchi bants.
Golchwch pants.
Golchwch bants, Matt.
Mutate.
Treg...
This is more appropriate.
Treglwch.
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 Da iawn. Sing.
Canwch.
Yeah.
Canwch,
yeah.
yeah.
So empty your vowels.
Drop your vowels.
Drop the last vowel.
Drop your vowels,
right.
all right.
Wedyn, there are some words that stay as they are. If they end in a consonant, very often words like this, iawn?
Agor.
Agor just becomes agorwch, so you just add it on the end.
Agorwch.
Darllen, darllenwch. Edrych, edrychwch. Eistedd, eisteddwch.
Eisteddwch.
Hapus?
Hapus.
Okay.
Hapus.
Nessa. Oh, some naughty boys. Just fel ti.
Fi ddim yn
Please break the rules, iawn? If you want to say go, say
Ewch. Right.
ewch.
Ewch.
If you want to say come,
Dewch ymlaen.
Yeah, exactly.
Dewch
Dewch ymlaen or dewch I mewn.
Dewch I mewn.
Come in. And do or make.
Gwnewch.
Ac wedyn, you've already said it. Don't.
Peidiwch.
Peidiwch.
Mynd.
So don't go.
Peidiwch mynd, Nia.
Iawn.
That's not
How do we tell our
though, is it?
viewers at the start of the program? Don't go.
Peidiwch mynd.
Peidiwch mynd.
Peidiwch mynd. It's more of an order though. So peidiwch mynd. Isn't it?
Peidiwch aroswch. Peidiwch mynd.
Okay. If they just tuned in, we're not shouting at you. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's
Feel
a
the
Sunday.
love.
We're really relaxed, aren't we?
Oh, you now know how to be bossy and Gymraeg.
I'm very happy about that.
Yeah,
Should we high five?
High five. Ardderchog.
Da iawn.
Oh, you're
Da
a
iawn
great
fi.
student.
You're a great tutor. Oh. Talking about good tutors. That's a seamless link.
Da iawn.
Diolch yn fawr.
Y wers Gymraeg.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Back to the 80s.
Back in time. Great use of archive.
A maen nhw'n mynd ar ddêt.